Hello children, today we are going to start our computer subject second lesson, that is parts of a computer. Children, we have already learned about introductions of electronic machines in our previous lecture. So students, in our day-to-day life we see and deal with so many machines for making our work easy. A machine has many parts. Let us take an example of mixer. A mixer has various different parts and each part has its own functions. Students, look at this picture. Mixer is an electronic machine. Next example is bicycle. A bicycle is also a machine and it has different parts and every part its own function. This is a bicycle. Students, you already know and enjoy the ride of bicycle. Similarly, computer is also having various parts which perform various functions. The four main parts of a computer are monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. This is the four main parts of computer. There are buttons on all the parts of computer. All these four parts are joined together by a wires. Now let us see the picture of computer. This device is called monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It shows the text typing and the work done by user. It also displays the result. This is a keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons which are called keys. A keyboard is used for typing letters, words, numbers and special symbols. A keyboard has 104 keys. This is a CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is called the brain of a computer. It helps a computer to think and do all its work. It also helps computer to remember things. All the other parts of the computer are attached to the CPU by wires. And this is a mouse. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. It is used to point, move and select any item on the computer. Mouse also helps us to draw picture and play games. Children, I hope that you have understood what I taught you today. Now let us see a video to get more information.
Rico, look at all these electronic equipments. I wonder what they are used for.
Rennie, all these are different parts of a computer.
What? I thought only the keyboard, the mouse, the CPU and the monitor are parts of a computer.
Actually, the keyboard, the monitor, the mouse and the CPU are the main parts of a computer. These equipments you see on the shelves are some other parts of a computer.
Oh, really? Can you tell me what these parts are used for?
Sure, Rennie. But first, do you remember the functions of the main parts of a computer? I think you need to refresh your memory. Let me tell you what the main parts of the computers are used for.
Yes, please do.
Let's start with the monitor. The monitor is also known as the VDU, which stands for Visual Display Unit. It looks like a television. The monitor displays whatever we type with the keyboard. The monitor also displays whatever we draw with the mouse. You can also watch movies or play games on the monitor.
Look, Rico. These two monitors looks very different from each other.
Yes, Rini. Nowadays monitor comes in different shapes and sizes. There are basically two different types of monitors, CRT and LCD. And this is the keyboard.
Yes, I know that. The keyboard is used for typing text, numbers and special characters on the computer.
Yes, Rini. The keyboard has many buttons on it, which are called keys. Different keys have different functions.
Yes, I remember that a standard keyboard has 104 keys.
Very right, Rennie. This is the system unit. It contains the CPU. Do you remember what CPU stands for, Rennie?
Yes, CPU means Central Processing Unit.
Right, Rennie. Whatever you type through the keyboard or do with the mouse goes to the CPU. The CPU processes it and sends the results on the monitor. Let us now discuss about the mouse. You probably know that the mouse is a pointing device.
Yes, Kiko, I know that the mouse is used to point out the items present on the computer screen.
Right, Rennie. The mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on top and a sensor at the bottom. A long wire attaches the mouse to the CPU. Nowadays, wireless mouse is also available.
Why is there a light under the mouse, Kiko?
That is the optical sensor, Rennie. It detects the mouse movement. Earlier, there used to be a ball inside the mouse instead of an optical sensor.
Okay, so these are the main parts of the computer. Now, can you tell me what all those devices are used for, Kiko?
Sure, Rennie. These are the speakers.
Students, did you understood the video about parts of a computer? Now, let's summarize the topic. A computer has 4 parts: CPU, monitor, mouse and keyboard. All parts of a computer have buttons on them. Wires are used to join the parts of a computer. All the wires fit into the back of the CPU. Children, revise all the topic which we have learned today. I have sent exercise which you need to open by clicking on the blue link of exercise. If you have the computer textbook, then write exercise in it, and if you don't have, you can write in notebook. Children, you also need to solve the MCQ test. Bye all of you. Stay safe at home. Thank you.